Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. Today I wanted to give you a quick review of the JeaTone Ultrasonic cleaner. This is going to be very good for cleaning jewelry and watches. As you can see here, I have inside the earrings and a necklace with a pendant from my wife. It is going to be very easy to clean. Also, I have a lot of watches that I clean through and with the ultrasonic cleaning machine, so this is going to be really useful. I have also a video about this particular watch, how I cleaned the entire bracelet, and here you can see the end result. So this is going to be really cool for cleaning all your jewelry, including watches, and it is going to also be very easy to use. You also have the option to go and grab the ultrasonic cleaning solution that they have, and I would definitely recommend. You can just insert a few drops inside the cleaning machine, and it is going to be very easy to start. It is going to be a little bit noisy, but if you close the lid, it is going to be a lot more silent. So let's also see that. It is going to be a little bit of sound right now, guys. Closed. I can pause it and I can resume, and you can see that the jewelry actually moves from the ultrasounds. So guys, very useful, a great tool to have around your house for cleaning a bunch of stuff. So I can definitely recommend this one. Make sure to grab one on Amazon. I guarantee you are going to love it.